Nobody is ever too busy. If they are interested, they will make time. The biggest mistake we make in life is thinking that we have time. Time is more value than money. You can get more money, but you can't get more time. Life is like a coin. Players in pain are two sides. Only one side is visible at a time. But remember, other side is waiting for its turn. Time does not wait for anyone. When you fully trust someone without any doubt, you finally get one. After that, a person for life or a life for person. Failure is the opportunity to begin again more intelligently. A mind is like a parachute. It doesn't work if it is not open. Don't argue even when you are right. Each mind sees you differently. Be you. Trust but with caution, because sometimes even your own teeth bite your own tongue. Time doesn't heal anything. It just teaches us how to live with the pain. Time is precious. Make sure you spend it with the right people. Time is not refundable. Use it with intention. If you quit once, it becomes a habit.